$3 million mistakes. That's what I see luxury buyers make every single year. And the surprising part, most of them are incredibly successful people who simply don't understand how the luxury real estate market really works. If you're thinking about buying a luxury home, especially in places like South Florida, watch this entire video because the third mistake alone can cost buyers hundreds of thousands of dollars. And many people don't realize it until it's too late. Luxury real estate is very different from traditional real estate. When people think about buying a luxury property, they often assume the process is just a bigger version of buying a normal home. Bigger price, bigger house, maybe a nicer view. But the reality is that the luxury market operates on a completely different level. Different negotiation strategies, different timing, different risks, and definitely different opportunities. Over the years, working in the South Florida market, one of the most competitive luxury markets in the world, I've seen incredibly smart buyers make mistakes that cost them not just money, but also the opportunity to secure truly exceptional properties. And the truth is, most of these mistakes happen before the buyer even realizes they are making them. In this video, I want to walk you through the 3 biggest mistakes luxury buyers make, especially people relocating to Florida, investing in waterfront property, or looking for luxury condos and states. Before we jump in, if this is your first time on the channel and you want to know everything about living and investing in South Florida, make sure you press the button below to subscribe and tap the bell for notifications so you will be the first to know about new opportunities in the current market in South Florida. I'm Marcia Gana with Florida Living for You. We get calls every day from people just like you. So whether you're moving tomorrow or in 1 year, you can reach out to us anytime. Our contact information is in the description box below. We would be happy to help you have a smooth move to South Florida. If you're planning to purchase a luxury property in South Florida, Miami, Boca Raton, Fort Lauderdale, Palm Beach, or any high-end market, these insights can save you a tremendous amount of money and frustration. One of the biggest mistakes luxury buyers make is falling in love with a property too quickly. Now, I completely understand why this happens. Luxury properties are designed to create an emotional experience. And make sure you watch until the end because the final mistake is one of the even experienced investors still make, and it can completely change the long-term value of the property you buy. So let's start with the first mistake. You walk into a penthouse with floor-to-ceiling glass overlooking the ocean, the sunlight reflects off the water, the balcony feels like a private resort, and suddenly you start imagining your life there. Morning coffee overlooking the Atlantic, evening sunsets with friends, dinner parties on the terrace, and in that moment, logic quietly steps aside and emotion takes over. This is exactly what developers and sellers hope will happen. Luxury real estate is marketed like a lifestyle, not just a property. But the moment a buyer becomes emotionally attached too quickly, they lose one of the most powerful advantages they have in negotiation: objectivity. Because when you fall in love with the property, the negotiation dynamic changes. Instead of asking, is this the right investment? The question becomes, how do I make sure I don't lose it? The subtle shift can cost buyers tens or even hundreds of thousands of dollars. I've seen luxury buyers waive important inspections, overlook future construction risks, or accept pricing that is simply not aligned with the market value, all because they became emotionally attached too soon. And here is the interesting thing. The luxury market almost always has more opportunities than buyers realize. In South Florida alone, new developments, waterfront homes, and luxury condos are constantly entering the market. Another property, sometimes even better, may come available just weeks later. The smartest luxury buyers appreciate the property, but they never let emotion control the decision. They stay strategic. They evaluate the building, the developer, the long-term appreciation potential, the inventory pipeline, and even future projects that could impact the view or value. Because luxury buying is not just about lifestyle, it's also about positioning yourself correctly in the market. The second major mistake luxury buyers make is misunderstanding timing. Most people assume real estate timing works the same way across every price point, but luxury real estate behaves very differently from the general housing market. The luxury market is much smaller. There are fewer buyers, fewer sellers, and far fewer truly exceptional properties. Because of that, timing becomes extremely important. For example, in many luxury markets, including South Florida, there are specific windows where the best opportunities appear. Developers release early inventory during pre-construction. Sellers list properties strategically during high season months. International buyers enter the market at certain times of the year, and interest rate changes or tax policy shifts can suddenly increase demand. If a buyer is not aware of these patterns, they can easily end up entering the market at the wrong time. I've seen buyers wait too long because they were hoping prices would drop. But in luxury real estate, the best properties rarely experience the same type of price correction seen in entry level markets. In fact, many trophy properties appreciate precisely because they are rare. Oceanfront land, deepwater dock homes, and new luxury towers with top developers and prime locations are all limited. So, when the right property enters the market, experienced luxury buyers understand something important. Sometimes the opportunity is more valuable than the price negotiation. Waiting for the perfect moment can mean missing the property entirely. And in luxury real estate, once a truly exceptional property sells, it may take years for something comparable to appear again. That's why understanding market cycles, inventory trends, and new construction pipelines is incredibly important because timing the market correctly can make the difference between buying a property that simply holds value and buying one that appreciates dramatically over the next decade. Before I share the third mistake, which is actually the most expensive one, if you're currently thinking about buying a luxury property in South Florida, whether it's Miami, Boca Raton, Fort Lauderdale, or Palm Beach, and you want to understand where the market opportunities are right now, send me the word luxury in the comments or reach out directly. I regularly share insights about new luxury developments, off-market properties, and emerging neighborhoods that many buyers never hear about until it's too late. And those early insights can make a huge difference when it comes to securing the right property. Now, let's talk about the third mistake, because this one can affect the long-term value of your investment more than anything else. The third mistake luxury buyers make is focusing entirely on the property itself without fully understanding the long-term strategy of the location. Luxury buyers often evaluate features like architecture, interior design, finishes, views, and amenities. And of course, those things matter, but the biggest driver of luxury real estate value is not the property, it's the location trajectory. What's happening around the property? What's coming to the neighborhood? What infrastructure development and investment are shaping the future of the area? Let me give you an example. 10 or 15 years ago, some areas of South Florida that are now considered extremely desirable luxury locations were still emerging. Buyers who understood the trajectory of those areas, the marina developments, the restaurant districts, the new luxury towers, the infrastructure improvements, positioned themselves early, and today those properties are worth significantly more. The same thing continues to happen today. Certain areas are transforming very quickly. New luxury developments are attracting international attention. High net worth migration from states like New York and California is reshaping demand. And global buyers from Europe, Canada, and Latin America are continuing to view South Florida as a lifestyle and investment destination, but not every neighborhood grows at the same pace. Some areas plateau, others accelerate dramatically. Smart luxury buyers analyze the long-term vision of the area. They ask questions like, what new developments are planned nearby? Is the area attracting luxury brands and high-end hospitality? Are new marinas, private clubs, or entertainment districts being built? Is infrastructure improving? Are high-end developers investing in the neighborhood? Those signals often tell you far more about the future value of the property than the finishes inside the unit. Because in luxury real estate, you're not just buying a property, you're buying the trajectory of a location. And when buyers ignore the larger strategic picture, they sometimes end up purchasing a beautiful property in a location that does not appreciate as strongly as other nearby markets. Meanwhile, buyers who understand the direction of the market often capture extraordinary appreciation. Luxury real estate is one of the most fascinating markets in the world. It's where lifestyle, investment, architecture, and global economics all intersect. And while buying a luxury property can be incredibly exciting, the smartest buyers approach it with both emotion and strategy. They appreciate the beauty of the property, but they also evaluate the market. They study timing, they understand location trajectories, and they stay patient until the right opportunity appears. Because in luxury real estate, the right purchase is not just about owning something beautiful. It's about positioning yourself correctly for the future. If you're thinking about buying a luxury home or condo in South Florida, whether you're relocating, investing, or simply exploring your options, there are incredible opportunities in the market right now, but only if you know where to look. The luxury market is evolving quickly, with new developments, emerging neighborhoods, and international demand continuing to shape the landscape. So, if you would like to access my private list of luxury properties, new developments, and investment opportunities across South Florida, send me a message or comment the words luxury list. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel because I share regular insights about luxury real estate, relocation strategies, and market trends in South Florida that can help you make smarter real estate decisions. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.